Hey, good morning, fourth graders. It is Tuesday morning, and today we are doing Chapter 10, Lesson 5 in our My Math books. So make sure you have your My Math books open. We are starting on page 657. Okay, today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be comparing tenths and hundredths. Okay, so we are going to be creating both equivalent decimals and equivalent fractions. All right, so I created an example right here for you using 3/10, or as some of you might say, 0.3. Okay, if we write it in fraction form, it is 3/10. Okay, now if you wanted to relate it back to money, remember we always refer to tenths as dimes. So if I had 3 dimes, I've got 10, 10, 10. We all know that that would be 30 cents. Okay. So in today's lesson, what they want you to do is you're going to be taking these tenths and turning them into hundredths, okay? As you see over here, I wrote all the equivalent decimals and fractions, okay? So our 3 is in the tenths place over here. It's still in the tenths place over here. However, we added the 0 behind it, okay? Now, let's look at our fractions. We've got 3/10. Over here, we've got 31 hundredths. These are equivalent fractions. And you guys probably notice all you have to do to turn tenths into hundredths is simply add a 0 to both the denominator and the numerator. So I take 3/10, I add a 0 to my denominator and a 0 to my numerator, and we've got 31 hundredths. Now, relating things back to money, because sometimes that makes things simpler. All right, 31 hundredths. We can think of 31 hundredths as 30 pennies. So what I did right here is I drew out 30 pennies. Of course, what's the value of that? It is 30 cents as well. Okay, so in today's chapter, all right, or lesson I should say, you guys are going to be turning tenths into hundredths. And what they're going to have you do is they're going to have you shade in those graphs. So the graph may be broken into 10 equal parts. It may be broken into 100 equal parts. But if I shade it in 3/10 or 31 hundredths, you're going to notice that they are the exact same amount. Okay? Alrighty, pretty simple lesson today, guys. If you are in my reading class, I want you guys to make sure you log on to your Google Classroom and check out the assignment that I posted this morning. It is over the debate that's in our Storyworks. Okay, so make sure you look at that assignment. I am asking you guys to type up a response. It's only 1 sentence, so not too difficult. Look into that. If you have any other questions, make sure you comment below. Hope you guys have a great day. See ya.